Why does your scanner show the P3401 engine code? What does it mean? P3401 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 1, deactivation intake valve control circuit open. This engine code indicates cylinder 1, deactivation intake valve control circuit open error. This means the powertrain control module has detected an issue with the system that controls the intake valve for the first cylinder. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low engine oil level, cylinder deactivation solenoid issues, wiring problems. Other possible causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996, is commonly found in vehicles equipped with cylinder deactivation systems, such as some Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.